Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, tips and advice for a career in business analysis. In this video, experts will discuss the key skills and certifications essential for anyone starting a career in business analysis, and why these are important for building a strong foundation. They will also share insights into common challenges that new business analysts face and suggest practical strategies to overcome them, helping you navigate your career with confidence.
Key skills for starting a career in business analysis include analytical thinking, problem solving, and strong communication to bridge gaps between stakeholders and technical teams. Proficiency in tools like Excel, SQL, or Power BI is crucial for data-driven decision-making. Understanding business process modeling using tools like BPMN or UML and requirement gathering ensures clear documentation and workflow optimization. Certifications such as CBAP, PMI PBA, or Agile Business Analyst IIBA demonstrate competence. Understanding agile methodologies, emerging tech trends like AI, automation, and cloud computing provides a competitive advantage, laying the foundation for long-term success in this field.
Well, first of all, a BA should try to hone both technical and business skills to the greatest extent possible. These include communications, decision-making, problem-solving, influencing, and negotiating, to name a few. There are a number of certifications to consider that both enhance your skills and your resume. The International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, offers a number of entry-level and advanced business analysis certifications that are recognized as value-added worldwide. In addition, the Project Management Institute, PMI, offers a Business Analysis Professional Certification, PMI PBA, more focused on the relationship between BAs and project managers.
So, if I were to give you some tips for a career as a business analyst, I would say that you should focus on developing critical thinking. Know standards and examples of process documentation and be aware of new technologies that are emerging. Seek certifications in soft development methodologies such as Agile and have at least basic concepts of SQL and programming logic. Understand that there will be many opportunities for those who want to learn about the specific business and have the skills I have mentioned.
For anyone starting a career in business analysis, key skills like analytical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills are essential. Certifications such as the ECBA or CBAP from IIBA provide a strong foundation. It's also crucial to embrace continuous learning, whether through online courses or industry events, to stay updated with the latest tools and methodologies. Networking with other professionals, attending conferences, and joining industry groups can open doors and provide valuable career insights.
If you're just starting out in business analysis today, there are several key skills along with experiences that you should prioritize developing right from the get-go. Strong analytical capabilities should be at the forefront because they help you better understand complex requirements while identifying trends present within large data sets effectively. Equally important, though, is cultivating effective communication abilities. Being able to articulate findings clearly across diverse audiences ensures everyone remains aligned throughout project life cycles moving forward.
Can you share some common challenges that new business analysts face and suggest strategies to overcome them?
One of the biggest challenges that you may face is the fact that the business analyst and project manager's roles are related and often intersect. It is important to clearly define roles and responsibility from the project's end to end to ensure synergy is achieved and role conflicts are avoided. Secondly, the BA must realize that solution expectations of customers and management differ greatly from those of the engineering and development team. It is important to ensure that all solutions meet the needs and expectations of all stakeholders and are validated by all stakeholders. New business analysts may struggle to understand the specific industry or domain they are working in, which can hinder their ability to gather accurate requirements and provide valuable insights. Invest time in learning the domain through research, training, and seeking mentorship from experienced colleagues. Engaging in continuous learning and attending industry-specific workshops can also help build domain analysis. Finally, frequent changes to project requirements can lead to scope creep, causing delays and increased costs. Implement a robust change management process. Clearly define and document requirements at the outset, and establish a formal process for handling changes. Regularly review and prioritize requirements with stakeholders to ensure alignment with project goals.
New business analysts often face various challenges when entering their roles, including feeling overwhelmed by project demands or struggling with unclear expectations from stakeholders involved. To overcome these hurdles successfully, I recommend seeking mentorship opportunities from experienced colleagues who can provide guidance while effectively participating in discussions surrounding ongoing tasks. Asking questions whenever uncertainties arise fosters an environment where learning becomes part of daily routine, ultimately paving pathways towards greater confidence levels over time.
New business analysts often face challenges like stakeholder management, unclear requirement, and technical knowledge gaps. To overcome these, it's important to develop strong communication skill and the right questions during requirement gathering. Building a support network through mentorship or peer collaboration can help navigate complex projects. Additionally, continually upskilling through training and practical experience will help bridge technical gaps and enhance your confidence in the role.